Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepe in a memes world token. Ticker symbol is PEW. So this is a play off of a very popular, obviously it's a play off of Pepe, but there was another very popular token with a ticker symbol MEW, and I think it was called like cat in a memes world. So that token was super popular, and now we have PEW. This token I saw was trending last night, I think on Dex Tools or Dex Screener or both. And now, May 29th, today, just got a brand new central exchange listing. So we're going to go over the information on this token and a couple ways of how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token's on the Ethereum blockchain. They're actually trending number 3 right now in the Ethereum section on Dex Screener, and you can find them on Dex Tools as well. They're also listed on CoinGecko. If you're looking for the chart, there's a few different places you can find it. They're on Etherscan. Their Telegram is at Pepe in a memes world, and they have 804 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's a great place to see updates regarding the token. And you can find the links to their socials, their Twitter, their Telegram. You can find the contract address on their official webpage, pepeinaMemesWorld.com. So it says, for the culture, pew, pew, pew. So that is the sound if you're playing a video game of shooting a gun. People used to say that. People have been saying that for a super long time, pew, pew, pew. It's all about the memes, basically. You scroll through their webpages, tons of memes. And it says here, brah, are you really checking the website? Okay, here's about us. What's special about us? Does it matter to you? Honestly, we don't even know what's special about us, but hey, you're here, so you must be doing something right or wrong. Who cares? If you're looking for the meaning of life, you're definitely in the wrong place, but if you love memes, you might just find nirvana here. It says, stop searching for a new trend and you can get PEW. We are the trend right now. PEW is trending, so we are PEW, the PEW Trends coin. Tomorrow, if your mom is trending, we are your mom-based coin, whatever that means. Next week, if toe socks are trending, you bet we will be the toe socks coin. We ride the wave of whatever is mildly amusing and questionably relevant. So they're saying basically that probably on their socials they're going to be keeping up with the memes, and you get the idea. Anyways, roadmap. It says a roadmap. Lol. Here's a map of America. It's big. It has roads. Somewhere on there you'll find our headquarters, or maybe not. Use Google Maps or something. We're probably hiding under a bunker filled with memes and snacks, waiting for the next trend to drop. Good luck finding us. Tokenomics, pew, pew, pew. That's our tokenomics. Do you need more details? Probably. We're giving you more details? Definitely not. And then it says, contact us, but why? Seriously, why? If you insist, just shout pew really loud and maybe we'll hear you. And then they do have a contact email, Telegram, and Twitter linked on there. It says, serious legal stuff. We are not responsible for any loss of brain cells while browsing our site. Consult a doctor if you're taking us seriously. All investments are at your own risk and probably a terrible idea. One last time for the culture. Pew, pew, pew. All copyrights reserved. Message from designer on the site. Dev, no pay me until 1 billion market cap. Please send to 1 billion market cap so I can pew pew pew. And then yes, the memes. So that is basically their webpage, pepeinamemesworld.com. Kind of comical. Now they have a $13 million market cap right now. That's also their fully diluted valuation. They have $3.2 million in liquidity in Uniswap. And it says 65.53% of that total, or 66.53% of that total liquidity is locked, according to Dex Screener. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $39.2 million. Very popular token. Just came out 1 day, 6 hours ago. Now, it just got listed today on a central exchange, so that's one way to get it here. First of all, it says total supply is 1 trillion tokens. So May 29th, which is today, this token got listed 11 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token, one way to get it would be download Poloniex from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PEW, and then simply just buy the token. Now, another way to get this token would be to, first of all, you need a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet, some wallet where you could store ETH, and you could put meme coins in there. And so you would fund that wallet with ETH, you would go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, pepeinamemesworld.com, you would trade your ETH for the Pew token. Now, they have here 3,510 holders so far, so they're doing pretty well here. Huge, like $40 million market cap. Their Twitter is, I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen there as usual, at a guy in a memes WOR. It says art producer, I love Pepe and memes, has the contract address right there if you're looking for it for Uniswap, has a link to their Telegram, a link to their webpage. They just joined in May 2024. They already have 74 tweets, so they're very active on the socials, and 18,300 Twitter followers. It says they're followed by XT.com and CoinEx Global, so they may be listed on there soon as well. I do have a CoinEx Global referral code in the description box. This token's also being listed on Bitmart, it says. They just got a coin store listing. So they're getting a ton of different listings here. Just follow the socials for more updates. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.